It's Wednesday, June the 28th. It's 8 a.m. Central European time. And this week we've been working on a chatbot. And yesterday we basically took this example. Let's see. We basically took this example and removed everything that I thought was unnecessary to just make a minimum working example. So we have something that's actually somewhat working. So I've implemented ping and hello. So we got that working, and hello is using the additional metadata that Twitch includes with the regular commands. So this metadata has things like the color of the nickname that should show up in chat, and I guess this is their avatar. There's a user ID, and then there's a white space, and then there's a regular command. So they're kind of so how do you say it? So the regular command starts with a colon. And then source. I think they call it a source. So they don't call a message, they call... the server replies with... Were there any examples here? Parsing messages. When the Twitch IRC server sends a message, it may contain a single message or multiple messages. So there may be multiple things separated by new lines. And yeah, as I said before, this colon is the start of a command without the extra Twitch-specific tags. And here's what the message looks like if it contains multiple messages. Join user state part. Okay. So the order is not guaranteed and it might resend. Okay, so resending is something you might have to... Yeah. Resending is something that we might cause as an issue. The Twitch IRC server enforces the following limits. It's up to your bot to keep track of its usage and not exceed the limits. Um, for example, if the limit is 20 message per 30 seconds, the window starts when the server processes the first message and lasts for 30 seconds. At the end of the window, the counter resets and a new window begins for the next message. So if we exceed the limits, the bot will be ignored for half an hour. So rate limiting is something we have to include somehow. So let me add that to the to-do list. The rate limiting is necessary, otherwise we will be blocked for half an hour. If 10 users are running the bot command on a single account, the rate limit applies across all 10 users. A verified account. Okay, so the rate limits are quite a bit higher. All right. So there wasn't a whole lot of information regarding how to parse these things. So they're just referring to their example implementation for further explanations. So I guess we have to read the example. Twitch API. I don't think we're interested in that one. Sending, receiving messages. Right, I was thinking about this one. Because the messages contains these the first part of the command is a source, and the source is a user. And I was wondering if you at someone, if that's just plain text or a special message. So if you request the tags capability, you get the metadata you need for rendering people's username on screen. So IRC tags. Most IRC messages provides enough information that you can figure out what happened. But if you wanted to know more about the user, if they're a subscriber and what kind of badge they have, so that's forwarded in the Twitch specific IRC command thing. Tags are in the form. The following are commands that may include tags. If a tag is not documented here, it's not supported for third-party developer use. So these are probably more relevant if we were displaying the messages on screen. Then these are all things we'd had to take into consideration. Global user state tags. The following are the tags that the message may include. Okay. So badge info. Currently this tag contains metadata only for subscriber badges. To indicate the number of months users have been subscribed. Comma-separated list of chat badges in the forum. Batch version. Admin bits broadcaster moderator subscriber staff turbo. Okay, and then there's a color display name emote set. And the user ID.